What's up, yo? Hopefully you can hear me all right. I don't have my microphone in. Pretty sure you can see me all right because I can see beavers all over the place. Andy McCabe here with Claims Delegates and your Restoration Rebel leader. So, it occurred to me I had a phone on the guy. I had a guy on the phone about a couple hours ago from England, Liverpool, and great conversation, great Restoration Rebel. And he asked me, "Do you have any advice for me? Do you have any advice?" And it occurred to me that, you know what, we get hung up as restoration contractors, and we forget what we're doing. We forget the fact that we're in business first. First and foremost, we're business people. We're restoration business people, but we're business people. So, do I have any restoration advice for this man? Yes and no. I have a ton of business advice. So, when you're setting up a restoration business, concentrate on the business. All right, every business needs systems, every business needs employees, every business needs insurance, every business needs payroll and stuff. Hey, look at that. My flight's boarding. Like super early. What time is it? Who knew? Glad I came down here. So, let me end this real quick. If you run a restoration business, don't forget you run a business. Restoration is second. Yes, there's some knowledge and technique and tactical stuff. Do you need that specialty stuff to our industry? But there's a lot of stuff that's universal to business. So, if you're concentrating on being a good business person, guess what? Restoration is no exception to the rule. We need marketing. We need new business. We need... Alright, gotta go. Alright, so here's the punchline. Punchline is the majority of advice that I see myself giving out is not necessarily exclusive to restoration. It's business advice. It's how to run a better business. And there's no shame in not knowing how to run a good business because it's really hard. There's a lot of moving parts, and Lord knows I don't know how to run the perfect business. But we need to understand that the business problems we have are not necessarily exclusive to our industry. Yes, there are some things that are exclusive to our industry, and we are doing everything we can to influence those as rebels. But at the end of the day, we need to seek out good mentors, seek out good consulting, seek out good training, and how to make ourselves better as business people, as people in general, and make the world better. Not liking this perspective of this camera. Might need to shave. We'll see y'all on the other side. Flying from Memphis to Denver to Redmond to Bend. See y'all.